Don't forget to check out the link in the description below to buy. Are you on the hunt for unique wedding gift ideas? There's something stirring in the gift-giving world that you might want to know about. Personalized wedding gifts are enjoying a surge in popularity, and it's easy to see why. They offer a unique way to celebrate the happy couple, providing them something truly special to remember their big day. Think about it. A custom address stamp set for their new home, engraved champagne flutes for toasting to their future, a personalized carry-on suitcase for their honeymoon adventures, or perhaps a monogrammed leather billfold for the groom. Even a personalized family name sign crafted from pallet wood and birch plywood, like those found on Etsy, can make a heartwarming gift. These are just a few of the many unique and thoughtful gift ideas have recently been making waves. But why are personalized gifts gaining so much traction? Well, they offer a way to provide a truly unique and thoughtful gift that speaks to the individuality of the couple. These gifts are not just items, they are memories, a way to cherish a special moment in time. And the beauty of it all? These gifts come in all shapes and sizes, suitable for every type of couple and every type of budget. From monogrammed ice buckets and custom photo books to personalized aprons and custom pop grips for smartphones, there's something for everyone. In short, personalized wedding gifts are a trend that's here to stay. They offer a unique and thoughtful way to celebrate the happy couple, providing a gift that's as individual as they are. So, next time you're in need of a wedding gift, consider going the personalized route. And remember, no matter what gift you choose, it's the thought that counts. After all, it's not just about giving a gift, it's about celebrating a momentous occasion in a couple's life. So, make it count with a gift that's truly special. That's a wrap on the rising popularity of personalized wedding gifts. Gift giving has never been so personal or so heartfelt. With these thoughtful, unique offerings, you'll be sure to leave a lasting impression on the happy couple. So, why not make your next wedding gift a personalized one? It's a trend that's not going anywhere, and one that's sure to make your gift stand out from the crowd. Now that we've talked about the impact of personalized wedding gifts, let's dive a little deeper. It can be a bit overwhelming to start, but don't worry, we're here to guide you through this. From choosing the right vendor, to selecting the perfect gift, to adding that personal touch, we'll provide you with all the tips and tricks you need to navigate this trend. And remember, the best part about a personalized gift is the thought and effort that goes into it, making it that much more special. Before we wrap up, remember to check out the link in the description below to buy. Thank you for watching.